Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Vindhya Seth and today we are going to discuss the three equations of motion. Let's begin. There are three equations of motion. So first we'll begin with the first one. All three equations are applicable to a body moving with uniform acceleration. So first equation of motion is V is equals to U plus AT, where V, it's the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, A is the acceleration, and T is the given time or the time taken. This equation is derived from acceleration formula. The formula of acceleration is V minus U over T. But so if we cross multiply this, we'll get V minus U is AT. And if we move U to this side, we'll get U plus AT. So this was the derivation. Now let's have a look at the second equation of motion. I hope you guys understand this equation. In coming videos, we will solve some questions based on the equations of motion, and in that questions you will see in which and where we can use the equations of motion. Now let's see second equation of motion. Second equation of motion is for finding the distance. Distance means S. It is UT plus half AT square, where S is the distance what we need to find, U initial velocity, T time half of acceleration into the time taken and the square of time taken. Also, we'll solve question on second equation also. Now let's have a look at the third equation. Third equation is V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. This is the third equation of motion. Third equation of motion, where as you all already know, V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, 2 times acceleration, and S. Sometimes confused as speed. In the equations of motion, S is not speed. It is a distance. In the previous equation also, S is equals to UT plus half AT squared. S is distance. I'm sorry, it is displacement. Here also displacement, not distance. Displacement, I'm sorry. This combination of first and second equations. Like here, it have all this one also. Now let's just revise what are the terms we looked at. V final velocity, U initial velocity, S displacement, A acceleration, and T time taken. This we learned it was the first equation of motion. S is equals to UT plus half AT square. Second equation of motion. V square is U square plus 2AS. Third equation of motion. I'm sorry. It is the third equation of motion. And this one is, you can derive it from second equation if you have to find to make it more easier. Yeah, so this was it's from here. So this was the end of today's video. I hope you all learned something from it. Thank you for watching, and for more such videos, subscribe to our channel.